choro. Buena, buena.
Followed behind me. I thought he was gonna come talk to me, but he went his own way. But I just wanted to make sure I was recording right then. Today's video, well, first off, I want to say I'm back. It's been a while since I've recorded. I have some old footage that I've probably been posting, or I might post this one first. But it's been a while. It's been cold in Michigan. I've been bad with posting. I've been busy with work and stuff. And I just kind of want to give an update also. I need to get surgery on my ACL and my meniscus. So I tore both of them in a soccer game, not even anything dope. All I did was slip. I twisted my ankle as I was slipping, and then like I fell on my knee weird and heard a loud pop. So basically, and I can walk fine, I'm good, it doesn't hurt. But I got my MRI and a few doctors said, well, you tore your ACL and meniscus. So I'm getting that done at the end of this month, in March 23rd. So I'm going to be out for a while, so I'm going to try and film a little bit to get me by until I'm back on. So I can't drive for 4 to 6 weeks, then it's a few months of physical therapy, and then after 8 to 12 months, I can finally run and be like somewhat normal, according to the doctor. So yeah, so hopefully when I go to PT, it's close to my house, so you know, it's grommable. So hopefully I'm able to, you know, like grom up there once I'm ready. But until then, I'm going to be on a hiatus. So I'm going to try and get some footage until then. But, you know, hopefully it's a speedy recovery. And right now, we're just filming. We're going to see what's going on downtown. And we'll go from there. Basically, I might also be trying some wheelie practice, but I can't pop a wheelie that well. I can barely pop the clutch on it. I think my man was checking this out. Who doesn't love the grom? But this is just a lot that I found. We're gonna see how long I stay here before I dip to my next location, which isn't too far. But basically, we're gonna film some of this. Hopefully I don't loop, and we're gonna go from there. Yeah. Does that count? That's pretty much as good as it's gonna get. Like I said, this is wheelie practice. Your boy's trash. Not so good. So we're gonna keep our eyes out too, in case there's anything that goes south. Got a few exit points. But here we go. Let me just turn around. Is that a good downshift? Probably not. Okay. Your boy's scared. A little bit up on that one. Nope. And yeah, tell me what I do wrong, cause there we go. There we go. That was a good one. That was a good one. You know. So we'll see. We'll see. Weak. Mad weak on that one too. That one was garbo. Okay. Nope. So at least one was okay. We kind of got it. You know, it's gonna be a while until I get balance point, but that was something. That was something. I heard there's some kids who practice at a different, the prototype. Can you see that? Did I get that on film? The prototype dually. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't anywhere near balance point, but you know, I get what they're saying. I get what they're saying. I can do it on the mountain bike, not like crazy, but I can get a good wheelie, but I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna stay stay here maybe 2 or 3 more little laps. And then we're gonna go on to the next location, just because I don't want to stay here too long, you know. What was that? Garbage. I gotta go slower. Gotta get a better pop on it. Nope. 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 Negative, Ghost Rider. Alright, let's slow down with the rear brake because I need to get, you know, good with that. Dang, son. What am I doing? You know, let me know. Let me know. I mean, I'm pulling it all the way in, you know what I'm saying? You know, it was in, you know what I'm saying? I didn't go anywhere in that one. I think I let go, and I'm not popping it all the way. Damn, it's windy. See, I let go. I just. Do you think I'm letting go of throttle as I'm letting go, or I'm not letting go of the clutch too much, or I'm overthinking it? No, that was not it. Nope. Oh man, can't get it. Maybe that's why your boy was in second gear. We all make mistakes, right? That's what this video is here for. Whoa. For bloopers and stuff. Alright, let's see. Woo-hoo! Yeah, there we go. There we go. That was feet off. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but woo! Okay. I wasn't in first. Okay, now we're ready. Now we're ready. Got up a little bit. Okay, up a little. There we go. So we just spent those last 5-10 minutes just like, what are you doing, bro? So key, always being first. Let's just loop this way. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't too good. Nope. And I'm supposed to kind of like pop it more. Alright, let's go to the next spot before this gets too hot. Alright, come on. Oh, don't hit me. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's go, son. My back. Oh, whoa! No, I'm just kidding. Are you gonna seriously? Why don't you just go all the way through, bro? Why are you so stupid? Damn, that's clean. That's clean. I found which way you going? Ooh! Did you?
What's going on, man?
Oh, that's an ice bear?
Yeah.
I thought it was a grom.
It's a China ground.
No shit.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Oh, that's cool.
Really?
Yeah, I got over 1,000
Okay, okay.
I gotta get a battery for it. My engines are going out on me and shit today because the battery's shot.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta get a new battery. I got two of them.
Oh, that's not bad.
This one and I got a gray one at the house.
Okay.
But I'm thinking about getting rid of the gray one because I got it from my dad.
Yeah.
He's kind of too old for that shit.
Yeah. No, that is clean. I like those tires.
Yeah, I seen yours. I seen the gray. I seen that. I thought maybe that's a nice pair too. And I caught you out of corner of my eyes. I came by. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get over there and get gas because last time this flashed, I had almost a bar left.
Right, yeah. I filled up plastic. I just put like $3 in it. I still got like a full tank.
It cost me $1.80. Everybody's over there. How much is that thing?
Right.
It was 1,200 brand new.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, no places, none of that bullshit. This is a 50cc.
Right.
But I put a bigger car and shit like that on it. But
Yeah, that thing sounds nice. I like that exhaust.
yeah, the exhaust came on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wild. Like, cause my engine's all right here, so I was curious. Like, yours is all back, pushed back.
Yeah, you got a real 125cc. This is a 50.
Oh, it's a 50.
Yeah, so your my cylinder is like 36 millimeter.
Yeah.
Little tiny thing. You got a real
Right.
piston.
Gotcha. Yeah.
But these can all be punched out. I got one in town that's doing 70 with a 50cc.
Oh, geez. That's crazy.
Fully automatic, just squeeze it and hang.
Yeah, you just hold on. That's it.
Yeah.
But hey, I'm gonna let you go.
All right, man. I'll see you around.
Yeah, you have a good one.
It's
Yeah.
cool out. I'm gonna go throw a battery and shit in this thing and get
Right.
ready for spring.
Oh yeah, I feel you. It's almost time.
Yeah.
You have a good one.
All right, man. I like the sound of that too. That thing's got a good low rumble to it.
Oh yeah, I got an aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Oh, so we had the Ice Bear. I've seen those. That thing looked like a scooter. So it's like a 50cc? Nah, son. Nah, son. I'm all about this. Man, I think I was in second or something. Man, that's cool. I'll probably see him around. That thing looked exactly like the Grom. I saw it from behind. I even passed him. I'm like, oh, dude, that's another Grommer. Because that was the guy from earlier. That's crazy. But here, second spot. Oh my god, my hand already from clutching. Dang, your boy's weak. We're gonna see. Let's see if we get traffic or what's the word. Okay. Oh, he's coming this way. Oh, he's heading that way. Yeah, I'm just over here trying to. I got my high beams on. Hopefully you don't move. Then I'll go to the other side. I wonder if you can hear me, because you know the camera, it's windy as shit. Oh, that was alright. That was alright. Alright, let's get a few more. We'll probably call it a day soon. You know. Alright, here we go. Nope. Oh, let's go. Yeah, we're not staying. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are not staying. Oh no. Yeah! That's what I like to see. And you can wheel it better on that thing than I can on this. Yeah, we are not staying. We are going. Yeah, I saw that cop and I was not waiting around. I don't know if he came, which way he went. I think he parked. Oh, he was not waiting. Okay, so we are, let's go this way. Okay, so that was definitely a fun video. So that was a little bit of wheelie practice. We ran into a guy on an ice bear, got to see that. And then we got to evade, I guess. I don't want to call it evading, but I did not wait around. So I ain't taking no chances. I thought that guy was too. Once I saw that cop turn around, I was like, oh shit, let me get out of here. And I stalled a little bit. We're gonna come in here. I'm just gonna cut the video here because that was a good video. And then we'll get another one going later. So thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the wheelie practice. And if you guys have any tips on what I should do for wheelies, please let me know. You guys saw me. I need to work on popping the clutch more and throttle control, a little bit of braking, and let me know what I need. There'll be a part 2 wheelie practice. So thanks everyone and have a good day.